Hello everyone, good evening. We were solving the sample papers for BSDS 2024 exam and we're at question 21. So question 21 is quite easy. Now it was in fact so easy that I found the solution in a book. So I have the solution here and I will explain it to you line by line. Alright. So let us go through the question first. Let f be a continuous function from R onto close 0 to. Alright. So it's an onto function from the entirety of real numbers to close 0 and 2. Define a function g from R to R. Okay, g goes from R to R, not into any other subsection. Divide as gx equal to sine of fx. Alright, then we have to find out the range of g. Okay, now what is the solution here? The solution here is to find the range of function gx equal to sine of fx, where f is a continuous function from R onto interval. We need to consider the possible values that sine of fx can take. Alright, since we are calculating the range, we have to look into the possible values that sine can take. Now f is continuous, that means there exists y in 0, 2 such that fx equal to y. That's the standard definition of an onto function. Now therefore the values of fx should range from 0 to 2, right? Because f will bring the function from R to that particular solid interval 0, 2. Now we have to check what happens to the sine of f, right? Now considering the range of the sine function, it goes from -1 to +1, right? For any fx in the interval 0, 2, that will range from sine 0 to sine 2. The negative part of sine will not be considered here because it starts from 0, right? And sine 0 is 0. Alright? So sine ranges from -1 to +1, but since we are inputting the values from the range of 0 to 2, it will only take the values from sine 0 to sine 2. Now if I plug sine 2 into the calculator, I'll get 0.9. Right? If I approximate it to one decimal place, it's basically 0.9. So sine theta is equal to 0 and sine 2 is a positive value lesser or equal to 1, right? We know it's a positive value lesser or equal to 1, but I also told you the actual value, which is 0.9. Okay? So what does this mean? This means that the range of gx is in the interval 0, sine 2. If that is the answer, then we will mark option C. Alright? Now, I have told you in the previous videos that do not always think that all of the questions in this particular exam, since it's conducted by the ISI, shall be difficult. No, there are difficult questions. You have seen in the previous videos, some questions are a bit tricky. They require some knowledge of niche theorems. I have told you that in the sum that relates to Bernoulli numbers. But some of the problems again are quite easy. There was a problem on percentages which was quite easy. And this problem is also quite easy. You just need to understand the definition of onto functions and check how the function mappings occur. Alright, so once you have figured that out, this sum will be quite easy. I hope you understood the solution, and if you have any problems relating to the course of this exam, do consider delivering a message to the numbers given below and someone will be there to take care of it. Okay, so I'll see you all in question 22. Bye for now.